Lesson 2. Do's and Don'ts of Fuel Handling. In this lesson, we will discuss important guidelines for safe fuel storage and best practices for refueling to maintain engine health. Fuel storage. Proper fuel storage is essential to ensure safety and prevent accidents or fuel degradation. Store fuel in approved containers designed for flammable liquids. Keep fuel away from heat sources, open flames, and direct sunlight. Store fuel in a well-ventilated area, away from living spaces and electrical equipment. Regularly inspect fuel containers for leaks or damage and replace them if necessary. Fueling practices. Follow these best practices to ensure safe and efficient refueling of your vehicle. 1. Turn off the engine before refueling. 2. Avoid smoking or using open flames near the fueling area. 3. Remove any static electricity buildup by touching a metal surface before touching the fuel nozzle. 4. Insert the fuel nozzle fully into the fuel tank to prevent spills and fuel splashback. 5. Do not overfill the tank. Leave some space for fuel expansion. 6. Tighten the fuel cap securely after refueling to prevent fuel evaporation. Avoiding common mistakes. To maintain engine health, it's crucial to avoid the following common fueling mistakes. 1. Using the wrong fuel type for your vehicle, for example, putting diesel fuel in a gasoline-powered car. 2. Adding fuel additives without proper guidance or recommendation. 3. Ignoring unusual fuel odors or leaks. These may indicate fuel system issues. 4. Continuously running on a low fuel level, which can cause fuel pump damage. Recap. In this lesson, we covered guidelines for safe fuel storage and best practices for refueling. By following these do's and don'ts, you can ensure both your safety and the health of your vehicle's engine. Congratulations, you have completed Lesson 2, Do's and Don'ts of Fuel Handling. In the next lesson, we will explore the different types of automotive fuels.